Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable Linux development environment on your LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. First of all, let's open the control center on our computer and launch settings from here. In settings, we're gonna have to scroll down all the way to about Chrome OS section on the sidebar, open it, and then find Linux development environment in here. Before we can use it, we're gonna have to set it up on our computer by clicking setup. Then we're gonna have to click next. We can create a username for us. And then we're gonna have to select a disk size. We can use the recommended value, which is 10 gigabytes, which is plenty. But if you need more, you can select custom and set, for example, 20 gigabytes for Linux applications. Then click apply and wait until the Linux environment is installed on your computer. Once the Linux environment is set up, you will see the terminal opening up on your screen, and that's pretty much it. Now you are ready to install the first Linux applications on your computer. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.